in English,
Okay.
and then how you would say it in Tagalog.
Oh, that's easy.
No one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer. Girl, you're so hot like summer. No one can do it like you.
Okay, so my father-in-law had a special request for me to make some pan de sal for the gathering today, but we had a little problem. I call it a pan de sal problem. They did not come out as pretty as I had hoped. Started a second batch. It's over here. Gonna cook it up while we're over there. Hopefully these ones will come out good. Hi everyone, welcome to my vlog. So since this is my first video here, I thought I would do a little bit of an introduction, tell you some stuff about who I am and why I'm doing this. So my name is Christina, born and raised here in Southern California. I am from a Mexican-American background. I married my Filipino husband many years ago and honestly had no idea what I was about to jump into. But I've kind of grown into this family and really adopted a lot of their customs, been learning more about heritage, culture, different things like that, and I want to share that with all of you. So, you know, come join me on this journey in watching me basically like living La Vida Tagalog. Today we're gonna go out to my in-laws' house and do a little barbecue and just hang out with the family. Got a little surprise. I'm bringing this along with me today. Oop, upside down. Yep. Gonna have some fun with it. Stay tuned. Hi. Bless, bless. Bless, Tito Rick.
Tito Rick, Lolo Rick, Lolo Rick. Bless. Lolo Pogi.
Taste.
Sabi nila, hindi daw yun ang reaction. Wala kang pinakita. So, sabi ko sa kanya, okay, so.
Ano, walang makita.
Nag-react ng gano'n, in that time. Oo, wala sila. Hindi ka na, yeah, hindi na, di ba MRI na ako?
Hindi, pero sabihin ko, pero kung na-appointment ka.
Tinignan lang nila yung chart. So, meron silang panel sa Kaiser na city lang siya binigyan. Hindi siya binigyan. Tapos sabi niya, samantalang siya nakasortalize siya 6 months.
Ano yung masabi mo, very
Dapat i-work out ka pa.
So one of the best things about family get-togethers around here is I get to eat delicious food like this. We got pancit, salt and pepper chicken wings, and barbecue. Yum! Chicken and barbecue. Chicken and barbecue.
AKA barbecue chicken.
Goat.
Kambing!
Goat, yes, kambing.
Kambing!
Wanna try it? Caldereta.
Oh, caldereta?
Yes.
Let's go. Kambing. It's
So this is usually how it goes at a family gathering over here. We've got all the uncles sitting outside. Usually having a few drinks with some tasty snack in the middle of the table. Today it's kambing. We're having some goat caldereta. Looks delicious, so I'll have to give it a try. And beef caldereta just came out. And then the titas are all inside. Say hi, titas! Hi, Nana! Come on, Tito Romy!
Hindi pwede lawak ipakyaw.
Baby Manny. Go, Kuya. Woo! Okay, pandesal fail. Pandesal fail because they're not big and fluffy. It's meant to be a pandesal. It tried to be a pandesal, but it didn't quite get there. It still tastes good, so.
Pandesal pulutan style.
Oh yeah.
Good? Yeah.
You make this one?
Yes.
Sabi niya hindi raw nag-rice kasi.
They're usually way better.
Thank you. Parang mabatay ako. Pero yung lasa nandiyan pa rin. Pandesal. Nakaisa na ako eh.
Okay, Uncle. Sarap?
Sarap! Sarap!
Not so great with the lighting here. I guess I'll just have to come here. So I got this really awesome book on Amazon about kind of trying to like learn more Tagalog words myself, and it's a Tagalog picture dictionary, so I'm gonna break it out right now in front of all the uncles and ask them to help me learn some new Tagalog. Okay. Tagalog picture dictionary. As read.
Where'd you get this?
As read by Kuya Mike. So I got this to help me learn Tagalog. For me.
Babasahin daw ni Kuya Mike.
What? Why am I reading this?
Hindi, nasa iyo yung book eh.
Look, Kuya.
Alright.
In English,
Okay.
and then how you would say it in Tagalog.
Oh, that's easy. Alright. So, first word. Nurse.
In Tagalog.
How do you spell it?
Alright, so
What's English? What's English?
so I spell it as who's a nurse. Okay.
What's a nurse? What's a nurse?
Dude, you so.
What's next?
Alright, next one is teacher.
Teacher. Okay.
Teacher English.
What's
Teacher
English?
teacher is
What's
in English.
Tagalog?
Teacher.
Teacher.
This is wrong. No. Pronunciation. So you pronounce it in Tagalog accent.
It's spelled in the book. Hold on, Uncle. T-I-T-S-E-R.
Yeah.
Teacher.
Teacher.
Okay, so English with Tagalog accent.
There you go. That's it.
Okay.
That's how we do. So the way you say that in Tagalog, okay? Tricycle. Tricycle.
What is this word right here?
Okay. So
Can we see the picture? What's the picture?
everybody is trying to portray a video game.
How do you spell it?
B-I-D-Y-O. B-I-D-Y-O. Game as in G-E-Y-M.
Hi, how about this one, Kuya?
Alright, see? This is for... Oh, they know this.
Oh,
None of those guys know it.
Okay, what's
Alright,
that?
it's called CD.
Oh,
DVD.
DVD.
They don't know it.
Oh, how do you spell that?
As it sounds. D-I. B-I. D-I.
DVD.
DVD. Mouse pad is M-A-W-S. Okay? Mouse.
Maawasa.
And then pad, P-A-D. P-A-D.
So,
As it sounds. Okay?
banig para sa daga.
That one. That's where you put the mouse.
Okay, and the last one, Kuya. How do I say this one?
In Tagalog, it's called USB flash drive.
Flash drive. How do you spell flash?
Flash is P-L-U-S-L-A-S-H. Flash.
Flash Gordon.
Flash.
Gordon.
Drive?
The drive is D-R-A-Y-B.
D-Ride.
Drive. Drive.
Tagalog.
You gotta enunciate the A. Drive.
All right, Kuya, thank you for today's lesson.
I need to get paid for this.
Okay, another fun thing I learned about being part of a Filipino household. This is what it looks like outside the front door. What is it?
Yeah, this is the dessert.
No, you're getting the shadow in. Okay.
Cochinta, I don't know what this is. Maha Blanca,
What's in Maha Blanca?
it's like corn. I don't know what this is. Puto, this is ube. These two are ube, I don't know.
Well, yes, they're purple.
So good.
I was a little late on getting the dessert. But Nanay, I wanted a video of you in your shirt. Look at Nanay over here living the boss life.
Nay, pakilang.
Throwing back white clothes.
Ha? Nilalasing mo?
Ang dalo, hindi naman eh.
Pangatlo naman.
Look it. This is Nanay's drinking responsibly.
Okay.
Water, white claw.
Drink water.
Ibabaw niya ay walang tangkay.
Good job, Nanay.
Thank you.
We're leaving. Bye, guys. Bye.
You guys need some more English to Tagalog lessons? Brand is available.
Friends the expert.
Bless, Rowan. Bless. Rowan, bless.
Bless daw, bless.
Good job.
No, you.
Let him bless you, baby. Let him bless you.
Bless.
Okay, Rowan.
Bless.
There you go. So that was our little family get together. I consider myself, I guess, pretty lucky to have such a spirited group of teachers as I kind of move along in my journey here. Hope you enjoyed watching the video, and please remember to like and subscribe for more videos of me as I continue living La Vida Tagalog. Ingat, till next time. Oh, the lighting is terrible. I can't even see you guys because you're so dark and it's so dark.
What? Are you calling me dark?
No, hi.
It's a mouse pad. Okay, mouse pad.
Okay, how do you say in Tagalog?
Mouse pad. Am I getting paid for this? No.
You still okay since $10. Those are